Hello, bachcho. Let's see the question. The question says the N, Q, and R of two thin wires PQ and RS are soldered joined together. Initially, each of the wire has a length of 1 meter at 10 degrees Celsius. Now, the NP is maintained at 10 degrees Celsius, while NS is heated and maintained at 400 degrees Celsius. The system is thermally insulated from its surroundings. If the thermal conductivity of wire PQ is twice that of wire RS, the coefficient of linear thermal expansion of pKa is 1.2 into 10 raised to power minus 5 per Kelvin. The change in the length of wire pKa is option 1 0.78 millimeter, option 2 0.90 millimeter, option 3 1.56 millimeter, option 4 2.34 millimeter. Key concept is calorimetry. So in this question it is given that there is a wire. The ends Q and R of a two thin wire, it is a junction. PQ and RS are soldered together such that each of wire has a length of 1 meter. At end P, maintained temperature is 10 degrees Celsius, and at end S, temperature is 400 degrees Celsius. Thermal conductivity of wire PQ, it is taken as K1, is twice that of wire RS. Let the junction temperature be T given. K1 is equal to twice of K2. For simplicity, we have taken K2 as K, so it will be, that is K1 is equal to 2K. Coefficient is alpha, which is 1.2 into 10 raised to the minus 5 per Kelvin. That is given. Both wires of same material, therefore rate of heat flow from P to Q is same. Therefore, delta Q1 over T equal to delta Q2 over delta T. So it will be dQ by dt equal to 2K into T minus 10 by 10. Rate of heat flow from Q to S is dQ by dt equal to Ka 400 minus T by. So at steady state, the state rate of heat flow is same, that is T minus 10 After calculation, we got T equal to 140 degrees Celsius. So now we will find change in length of wire PQ at dx. So we will find at this distance it is dx, and from P, whose distance is x, now we will find temperature gradient. The temperature gradient equal to dt by dx, which is equal to 140 minus 10 degrees Celsius by 1, which is 130. Therefore, dt is equal to 130 dx. That means 130 times. So the temperature change at elementary dx, that is delta T, is equal to 130x. Now extension dl, which is equal to alpha dx delta T. So we will put the value. It will be alpha dx 130 times, integrate this equation, and we will get and elementary distance is from 0 to 1. So alpha 130 x dx, which is equal to delta L. After integration, we get x squared by 2, and by putting the limit, we get 130 into L into 1 by 2. After putting the values, we will get 130 into 1.2 into 10 raised to power minus 5 by 2. After calculation, we got 78 into 10 raised to power minus 5 meter, or 0.78 millimeter. So option 1 is the right answer. So in this question, it is given that the ends of two thin wires Q and R, PQ and RS are soldered such that at end P temperature is 10 degrees Celsius and S it is 400 degrees Celsius. The system is thermally insulated from the surrounding. If the conductivity of wire is twice that of RS, we have to find the change in the length of a wire. So for that, we have first calculated the heat flow from P to Q. Then after we have calculated heat flow from Q to S, and we know that at steady state the rate flow both are same. We have equated and we got that T is equal to 140 degree Celsius. After that we have calculated the change in length at elementary distance dx, and after that we have calculated temperature gradient. We have calculated temperature gradient and we got that dt is equal to 130 of dx. Then we have calculated change in length, that is 0.78 millimeter. So option 1 is the right answer. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.